Hello my dear friends, I hope you people are doing great and your preparation for December 2021 FMGE exam is on right track. Stay focused, don't give up in the middle of your preparation. You already must have completed many subjects, right? It all requires a good revision now. So stay disciplined, don't let negative thoughts distract you from your goal. After all, this is only about 150 marks, right? So stay positive. I'm sure you will do great. And to boost your final phase of preparation, we at Rise Medical Academy are launching a comprehensive test and discussion and fast-track revision program. This includes subject-wise exam of all 19 subjects, followed by concise and high-yield explanation by faculties. Along with this, there will be 3 mock exams with explanatory answer key and 1 image-based paper compiling all the important images that you need to know for FMGE exam. Along with this, recall questions of last 5 FMGE exams. Latest NEET PG exam with explanatory key will also be provided, so as to have a complete coverage of your revision and to enhance your chances to pass this exam. This program is strongly recommended for medicos who are in the final phase of their preparation. This is the schedule which you can follow. This is going to be started from November 10th. So in the last month, I would suggest you to do aggressive revision, practice as many questions as you can. I wish you all the best. Stay on right track. Thank you.